The main function. The C program is composed of one or more functions. A function is a line of one or more statements, which are joined in curly brackets to carry out a certain operation and return a simple value to the program in which they reside. It could also look like a subroutine. All the C programs must have a main function. The execution of the program starts with the first statement of the main function. Here's an image for a main function. The main function will call usually other functions coming from the same program and others of the libraries to carry out its work. The fact that the main function is surrounded by curly brackets is how we know that it is the main function. The main function has two parts. One is the declaratory part. It handles the declaration of the variables. And the next part is the achievable part, which contains the code which carries out the detailed charge. Like other functions, the main function sets the parameters. If we set the parameters with the main function, it is called command line arguments, which we will discuss in the forthcoming lessons. Remember, without having the main function, we cannot execute any C program. Good. Now you understand the concept of the main function and its uses.